Bye.
Hi guys, like
This.
video. I see you.
You see me?
I see vlog.
You see the vlog?
I see you light.
You see the light?
Yeah.
Okay, don't walk to the light. Okay, so
Funny.
having to be stuck in the house and everything, you try to make the best of it. We're trying to find different things to just keep the fun going. If you guys want to do this experiment, a lot of these things were like kind of around the house, but today Yay is going to make a lava lamp. Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show the vlog everything we have to use first. That's an Alka-Seltzer plus tab, so we're gonna need one of those.
I like two.
You like two?
Yeah.
This is some neon food coloring. I think it's about 4
Picnic.
colors in there.
A picnic.
For a picnic, some water. This is just some tap water that we have. And then next, we're going to use some vegetable oil. Here, we're using a vase. And so now, we're going to get started.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, so first, we're going to fill the container up with the vegetable oil. Oh, good job. Slowly. Keep going. Look at that concentration she has. Such a good scientist.
A lot.
Pour the rest of it. Yeah, just go ahead and pour the rest of it. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, that's the oil. Next, we're going to fill the container with water, leaving 2 to 3 inches at the top. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's pour some water in.
I like lot.
Ooh. Watch how the water falls through the vegetable oil and settle at the bottom. You see that? So right now,
And this one.
we see the bubbles here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
That is very cool.
Hi.
I think that's a better angle so y'all can see everything.
Yeah.
You see the water is going to the bottom of the vase?
Yeah.
That's because the water is more dense than the oil. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Great. Water molecules are polar and oil molecules are non-polar, so they are not attracted to each other in the least. So that's why they're separated. Okay?
Mommy.
Next, let's add the lava. Ooh, this is the fun part.
Mommy had this one.
Yes, that's going to be the lava. So let's open up that food coloring. Ooh. Ah! Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay.
No.
Okay, you guys see how the food coloring is settling on top of the water layer?
I see.
Wow. Wow, this is so cool.
Amazing.
Yes,
Amazing.
Yes, it's amazing. As you guys can see, the food coloring is going past the oil, so it's going deeper than the oil, and it's going to settle right on top of the water layer.
Amazing.
So what we're going to do is we're going to wait until all of the water droplets break through the oil and burst into the water.
Mommy,
Yes.
mix it.
No, you're not supposed to mix it.
What?
Oh, yeah, it's starting to burst, so you have to wait. Let's turn it around so the vlog can see it.
Look.
So what they're going to do is they're going to fall to the water later, and they're going to burst into the water. Can you guys see? Yeah, it's actually purple looking.
Look.
Wow, this is so cool.
It makes it. I'm seeing it.
You see that?
I like to.
You like two?
This.
You got to use one first.
I'll open it.
Not yet. We got to wait. See, look, it's not all the way down yet. See, it's some still at the top up here, and that's supposed to go all the way down to the bottom. we're going to add the bubbles. Are you ready, Yay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to drop the Alka-Seltzer tablet.
Yeah.
It broke into a few pieces. Put the whole thing in.
Don't shake it.
No shaking, just wait. Look at the bubbles coming up.
More.
Wait, just wait for it. So you see the
I see it.
look at it. Look on this side. You see it coming up?
No.
Wow.
No, I like it.
You don't like
more.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, Yay wants to put another one in there. She said she's not too thrilled about it, but it's doing a really cool reaction. Look. Okay, you guys see that? Oh my gosh.
Look!
Yeah, you see it?
Look!
So the Alka-Seltzer reaction produces carbon dioxide gas bubbles which stick to the water droplets. The water-gas combo is less dense than the vegetable oil, so they rise to the top.
And get drunk.
The gas bubbles then break and are released into the air, and the water sinks back down to the bottom to start all over again.
Down.
This is so cool, guys.
Look! I turned purple.
I see it.
I see it.
Let's try to add some more water, and we're gonna get some more of this. Come on.
Okay.
We're back. So we're gonna add some more water and some more Alka-Seltzer and see what happens.
I like
You ready?
2.
That's part of the science, Yayla. We have to wait, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we gotta wait till the water that we just poured in there goes to the bottom, like where the purple. You see where the purple is?
I see.
Wow.
Wow, cool.
This is totally cool, dude.
Yeah. I like 2.
You wanna put 2 in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I broke it. I broke one.
Oh my gosh. We're getting a reaction, guys. Wow, do you see that?
Up.
And there's a piece of the Alka-Seltzer.
I see.
You
You
see?
see it. You see.
Oh, I like you too. No.
What?
No, don't. do
What?
that. No.
What?
No.
What?
I said no.
What?
No.
What? Thank you for watching. Like this
Video.
video.
Yeah. Woo!